What we have here is the southwest side of the railroad tracks is backed up for acres. We have the pipe that fell off and it's been put to one side. We have all the trash that they have continually dug out that the beavers put right back. It's obvious that the railroad tracks here are undermining, and of course all the trash that comes from upstream down into my property is leading all of the trash, all of the hyacinth, all of the poop that is coming from Azalea Land Trailer Park leaching into the canal system. The reason we have an odor of poop is because of the problem that is going on. Outdated septic tank systems wicking into the canal system. The real purpose behind all this is bringing it to the public's attention, not only of the properties flooding and not maintaining the canal systems properly, but it's also bringing attention to two crossovers under the railroad tracks that it's obvious that they're undermining, and when Amtrak is coming through here at 100 miles an hour, if someone comes and looks at this, I believe they would think this is a major problem. Not only is this track used for Amtrak, but it's also used for coming into the port. I would think this would be a top priority, both these crossings. Whoever can help us with this would surely be appreciated. This is John Whittemore's property that has been used for a holding tank for all the development at Chatham Parkway and Highway 17. This has been going on since they built the Southwest Bypass and Chatham Parkway, approximately a $35 million highway project that didn't have a drainage plan. All the families adjacent to this project have suffered dearly, especially Mr. Whittemore, who owns 30 acres next to two shopping centers that was just in the paper talking about all of the great development at Highway 17 and Chatham Parkway. Permits have been given 10 times plus, and they still lead the same water into the same problems, and they deny Mr. Whittemore his right to get to his property and to move on with developing. The property looks like this because of the improper way in which it is drained. Many mistakes have been made on this parkway. This is a sign of it. All we want is to keep the water moving, and I think Mr. Whittemore, who has been held up for years when everybody else has been allowed to develop all around him, makes us think that this is a vendetta or a payback, because it seems like every other place is getting taken care of but here. We all suffer, but I believe Mr. Whittemore suffers the most. The reason we're showing you these spots, now we'll leave here and we'll go over on the northern side of Chatham Parkway, back of Sonic's, and show you that side. All of this, when they pop these dikes and these beaver dams, all of it moves downstream and floods our property at Redgate. It's time that someone does something.